I don't know about you, but whenever I go get a haircut, I love it when they massage my head and they just freaking just nice and slow and just feels amazing. I wish they could just have a station where you can just come in and just get your hair washed and just get a nice little scalp massage. Well, the So Mini can help with that anytime, anywhere. Obviously, I know your hair is important. You don't want to screw up your do, but definitely in the morning and definitely at night. Throw this in the shower and then just lightly just start to massage around your head. Not super hard. All the way around. It's nice that I have this haircut because then I can be able to work all the way around there and not have to worry about messing up my hair. This is also a great tool to use on your kids. Kids absolutely love this. I haven't seen one kid that doesn't. Just lightly massage their skull like this and you'll see them start to doze off. It's pretty funny, but massage in the shower, put some shampoo and then just, sometimes you might feel a headache and it's in a specific spot. Maybe that's all you need massage is just that muscle area. Those things move your scalp, move the skin around here, and they do but their range of motion is super tiny, so that could be what's going on. If you do a lot of stuff with your hair, you put in braids, you do other things, maybe that can also be causing some excess stuff. So just lightly, just can feel really good, seems really simple, but super effective. Give that a go.